On Amtrak and CSX Wheelfin here, and we got a train meet at 12:51. Freight coming from over there, from what I just showed you, and then here comes the Maple Leaf, I think, probably. He just turned off his headlamp because he's meeting that. And that one over there is whistling to warn this guy. He'll be meeting him. And he's going slow because he's probably on the same line or something. Well, not quite as 57 UP 5766 that I just met before this guy came. So he's probably on the same track, it seems like, as him. So he's going, the Maple Leaf is going a little bit slow behind him because 5766 is still trying to get into the train yard. And there goes the Maple Leaf. Nice K5 LA. I think it was 121. It seemed like that I caught before as well. That P42 DC. And this guy is going a little bit slow because 3222 that went by before him, he's on the same line going slow behind 3222 that went by with a fast stacker, but that fast stacker should be out of the block right now past the interlocking for this freight to go that is going slow behind him. there goes that guy. Lots of empty trash ones on this one for sure as well. There went around the bend. Signal should be dropping out any sec here. Oh! Triple meat it seems like. Alright! I heard a K5LA blast. Probably this guy. Surprisingly, he's so close to the one that just went by. It looks like he could be on the probably the middle track or the other track. Maybe. Because he has to wait for that freight that just met the Maple Leaf to get out of the block. Because he just turned off his headlamp. Because he's probably too close in the block for that guy. We'll keep the cam rolling for a few minutes here to see if anything happens. There he goes. He just flickered it. Just a tad. There he goes. He just turned it back on once again. He almost seems to be on the middle line, I think. Well, yep. One of the two first lines here in the middle. And he got the approach, it seems, because here he comes. Looks like just a local of some sort. It's a power move. Nice, cool to top off a train meet with a that's a work train called a rail grinder. So yeah, it's just a special work train that grinds the rails.